So this is the diagram of mature embryo sac. Here we will see how the 8 nucleus are distributed inside the embryo sac. As I have told you earlier, out of the 8 nucleus, around the 6 nuclei the cell wall is formed and 2 nuclei are without cell wall. They are called as polar nuclei and they are situated in the central cell and they are just below the egg apparatus. Okay, this is the micropylar and so out of the 6 nuclei which are surrounded by the cell wall, 3 are migrated towards the micropolar end. Out of the 3 nuclei, 2 forms a synergids and 1 form the egg apparatus or the egg. Okay, and the remaining 3 are going towards the chalazal. This is the chalazal end and they organize as a antipodals. So there is all the 8 nuclei are distributed inside the mature embryo sac. Okay, so again I am telling, out of the 8 nuclei, 6 are surrounded by the cell wall and 2 are without cell wall. They are called as polar nuclei which are at the center of the embryo sac inside the central cell. Okay. Out of the 6 nuclei which are having cell wall, 3 travels up in the micropylar region. Okay. Out of the 3, 2 are the synergids and the 1 is egg apparatus. And the remaining 3 nuclei having cell wall travels towards the chalazal and they are called as antipodals. Okay. Now we will see with the other diagram the complete organization of a mature embryo sac. Now let's see the diagrammatic representation of mature embryo sac. Okay. So this is the micropylar end and this is the chalazal end. As we earlier, at the chalazal end is 3 antipodals. At the center is a polar nuclei which are 2 in number and they are inside the central cell. At the micropylar end is synergids and egg cell. The synergids have a cellular thickening at the micropylar end called as filiform apparatus. And what is the function of filiform apparatus? It helps in guiding the pollen tubes into the synergids. Okay. Again I am telling, at the chalazal end are the antipodals. In the center is a polar nuclei. There is a polar nuclei inside the central cell and at the micropylar end are the synergids which is having a nuclear thickening called as filiform apparatus which helps in guiding the pollen tubes into the synergid. And just above the synergids is the egg inside the egg apparatus. Okay, is it clear? So this is the diagrammatic representation of a mature embryo. Chalazal end, 3 antipodals. At the center are the polar nuclei which are inside the central cell and at the micropylar end is the synergids and the egg. Synergids has a cellular thickening called as filiform apparatus. I hope you would have understood the whole distribution of the 8 nuclei. So now let's count how many nucleus we have distributed. 1, 2, 3 at the antipodals. 3, 4, 5. These are polar nuclei. And here 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 in the egg and 2 in the synergid. So the whole 8 nuclei are distributed inside the mature embryo cell. Okay, I hope it is clear now. So let's go further. And here one thing is to be noted, that though the embryo sac is 8 nucleated, it is having only 7 cells. How we will see that? See, at the chalazal end there are only 3 antipodals, means 1, 2, 3 cells. Okay, central cell 3 and 1, there is 4. Now egg is 5. Okay, and there are 2 synergids, means 7. Okay, so we have seen that though the embryo sac is 8 nucleated, it is having only 7 cells. Now we will do a quick revision and see the whole process again. Okay, so we have seen that due to megasporogenesis, only one functional megaspore is formed. Okay, so one functional megaspore, or you can call as female gametophyte. This functional megaspore undergo mitotic division. It is undergoing mitotic division. And when it undergoes mitotic division, it gives rise to 2 nucleated embryo sac, or you can here call as embryo megaspore or embryo sac. Okay, now these 2 nucleated embryo sac undergo mitotic division to form 4 nucleated embryo sac. Again, this 4 nucleated embryo sac undergo mitotic division to form 8 nucleated embryo sac. Okay, here I would like to add one thing. We have seen in the megasporogenesis, the megaspore mother cell undergo meiotic cell division. Okay, and here during the formation of mature embryo sac, megaspore undergo mitotic cell division. That is the difference between megasporogenesis and formation of embryo sac. Okay, so keep that difference in your mind. Okay, now 8 nucleate embryo sacs are so we have 8 nucleated embryo sac. Up till the formation of 8 nucleated embryo sac, nuclear division is not followed by the cell wall formation. Now, out of the 8 nucleus, only 6 nuclei are surrounded by cell wall, leaving 2 nuclei. Okay, and this nuclei and which are known as polar nuclei, and they occupy the central position in the central cell. In central cell. Okay, so 6 cells, 3 on the micropylar end and 3 on the chalazal end. In the micropylar end, it is forming a egg apparatus. Egg apparatus is again 2 synergids and 1 egg cell, and here at the chalazal end 3 antipodals are there. Okay, now this synergids has a filiform apparatus which is a cellular thickening. And what is the function of filiform apparatus? The function is to guide the pollen tube inside the synergids. Okay, so now this is the whole distribution of 6 cells. Total number of cells. 1 central cell plus 2 synergids plus 1 egg cell plus 3 antipodals is equal to 1 plus 2 3, 4 plus 3 7. So 7 cells. Okay. So 7 cells. We will see this total number of nuclei. Total number of nuclei. In the central cell, we have 2 nuclei, 2 polar nuclei. So 2 polar nuclei. Then 2 synergids means we have 2 nuclei here. Then 1 egg cell means 1 nuclei. Then 3 antipodals means 3 nuclei is equal to 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 8. So this is 8 nuclei. Okay, I hope you would have understood that the mature embryo sac though is having 7 cells but it is having 8 nuclei. So this is the whole distribution of nuclei inside the embryo sac. So here we finish with the topic of formation of embryo sac. I hope everything is clear to you. Though if you have any problem or you are not able to understand, please feel free to ask me your queries. You can ask me in your comment sections. Okay, so here we finish the topic. All the best. Study well. We will meet in the next video. Okay, goodbye.